first time driving this thing in a long time, so I'm not much of like a vlogger. I just thought I'd do like a quick little build breakdown, street drive, just show you the car, trying out YouTube. You know, funds are tight, especially with this thing. It's killing me, so I got to find another way to make some sort of like supplemental income, because it's killing me. So right now it's it's just a full bolt-on 135i ACT triple disc 6-puck clutch. That's what the rattling is. Pure Stage 2 turbo, Wisefab angle kit. What else is done to it? Oh, like custom straight pipe exhaust. What else is done? I mean, the full bolt-on's like all the parts. That's where you list everything. Berger Motorsports catch can. It's like 450 wheel, I think, around there, on the E tune. It runs on, I can run it on E, but I don't, because I don't need that much power. But I'll show you the angle kit here. Has a IRP shifter, seat, harness bar, fire extinguisher. I don't have a steering wheel yet because, you know, like I said, funds are tight, so I really haven't had a chance to get a steering wheel yet. The harness bar, it's gutted, which I regret. I wish I had the door cards and this stuff, because honestly it kind of sucks that I don't. Because it really just looks like it doesn't look good. It's on MHD. That's what this is for. It's dead right now, but this has like it'll have my gauges and everything on it, and I can change the map with that, so that's nice. Yeah, that's really it. But I'm gonna do some street driving and get some gas, because it hasn't been ran in a while, and I'll just show you guys what it's like. It's gonna be sketchy in this weather, but I'm gonna run up, get some gas first. Actually, I got some gas. Just take it through. I haven't driven this thing on the street yet with the Wisefab, so. Oh, I got burbles on. Oh shit. That's why it's nice to have this charged, because I hate the burbles. When I was messing around one day, must have just left them on. I want to let it warm up because it's been sitting for a while, so I want to get the oil flowing and stuff. I don't know if there's a lot of wind noise. I wonder if I put that window up. Oh yeah, it's working. That ain't good. I guess we ain't putting that one on. I'm gonna figure that out. It sucks to drive it right now because I don't want to get salt on it, but like, man, I haven't driven this thing in a while. turbo. It's like stock location, stock manifold, stock housing. It's just a pure stage 2, and it's like a different compressor wheel. It's supposedly good to like 550 wheel, but I don't know. I don't want to blow it up when I don't need the power. Like, I'm cool where it's at. Last year I ran it all year on MHD stage 1, and I bet you it was with the turbo. Like, normally I think it's 300 wheel. With the turbo it might have been 350, 335 even, I don't know. And it felt great. Like, it drifted great. It wasn't honestly, I ran out of gear. It was so good. Like, it was plenty of power. So I'm not really looking to blow my motor up trying to make 600 horsepower when I really don't think I need it. Man, this thing's idle weird and everything. It probably could definitely use some maintenance for sure. I can go over some more stuff with the car while we're here. So yeah, the IRP shifter, it's basically just like a short throw. Oh yeah, it's on BC coilovers. I'll cut the wheel. Maybe. But yeah, it's on BC coilovers. There's the Wise Fab. BC coilovers. These are just Amazon hood vents. Yeah, the exhaust is like, it was made by my buddy Jack. He's awesome, man. He does good work, and he's just a cool dude too. I know I missed more stuff because it has so much. It's just crazy what's into this car now. I'm trying to think. Oh, the wheels. Those are just regular RPF ones, but they're just painted white, like in the paint booth, not spray paint. And then these are just Vors. I like reps. I don't know. I can't afford good like real wheels, so I personally like reps. They're cheaper. I don't care if I destroy one. RPF ones, I know they're real, but they're cheap, so I like the RPF ones. They're light, they don't blow up. Oh, it has seems legit axle spacers with G-force axles. What else? Oh, it has actually an N54 trans instead of the N55 transmission. It now has an N54 transmission, because stock, the transmissions aren't that good. Now I fucking shut it off again. YSFAB feels crazy. Damn, it was like self-steering like crazy. Holy shit. I haven't felt the YSFAB self-steer yet. God damn, that was insane. It was like ripping the wheel out of my hand. I was on CNC 71 angle kit before, and I don't want to trash them, but like it's terrible. It like wheel jacks really bad, so like if you use too much angle, and my car wasn't hitting anything, it was weird, but it would like lock the lead tire up, and you just spin around it, and no matter what I did, like Steve DeVittis, I'm gonna give him a shout out, because like if it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't even, this car wouldn't be half of what it is, because everything I do is like his idea. Like he's like, oh, do this, you got to do this, you got to do that. So everything I've done was really because of him. Yeah, so that was it. That was pretty much, that's my build breakdown. A little bit of street driving. Yeah, it's a fun car. It's a good drift car, you know. It's an untested chassis. Well, it's not untested anymore, but it's a newer chassis, and I think I honestly think more people should get them. I think the E36 is, I mean, at the price point now, like an E36 is $8,000, and then say another what, 2-3 grand to make the same horsepower. Like the front's getting raised a lot too, by the way. I forgot to mention that. It's like real low right now. So the YSFAB's basically like, it has like drop knuckles. It's crazy. So it like, the knuckle where the hub mounts is higher than the stock knuckle. Like the hub mounts higher above the control arm. If you're gonna buy a drift car now, E36 is what, like a clean one, $6,500. Another 2-3 grand for, I don't know, SLR's $1,200 now, so we'll say 4 grand to make it similar horsepower, angle. Well, this has angle, but for like similar horsepower, same drift car, you're in it, what, 8? I say 8 grand at the minimum. These you can go buy right now for 8-10 grand, pretty beat up, but it's a 300 horsepower stock, pretty much. You just throw MHD on it for $100. YSFAB was, it's pretty expensive. It's like $2,100. So, but I mean, you could be in this car for 10-12 grand. So yeah, it's more, but I don't know. It's a good car. It's a good drift car. It's a good seat time car. Hasn't broken on me yet, you know, not yet. So we'll see what this year entails. Yeah, that's my build breakdown.